Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're tuning into my channel for the first time, hi, my name is Ria and I make content on beauty, fashion and lifestyle. Do take a moment and subscribe to my channel. With that, let's begin today's video. As you already know from the title, today's video is a very special one because I am doing the first impressions of a very hyped and popular eyeshadow palette today. Yes, it's a Huda Beauty palette and this is my first ever Huda Beauty palette. I have never used any other Huda Beauty products earlier. This is my first Huda Beauty product and it's an eyeshadow palette at the top of it. These palettes are really expensive, which is why I could never get myself to buy one of these. But this time during the Nykaa Pink Friday sale, I went ahead and bought it 2 years back before my wedding. When I was building my makeup vanity for my wedding, I was contemplating buying this palette, but for whatever reasons I did not buy it then, but this time I had to. So I went ahead and bought the Huda Beauty Empowered palette. So during the Nykaa Pink Friday sale, there was a flat 50% discount on this one and I think the Rose Quartz one as well. I think there's a flat 50% discount on Huda Beauty products on Nykaa only twice a year, during the Nykaa Pink Friday sale and somewhere around Diwali if I'm not wrong. And these palettes are really expensive. These are priced at 5900. So when you get a flat 50% deal on it, I feel like it's worth it because this palette is supposed to be really good when it comes to its pigmentation and the shade range and everything. We'll talk about that in a while. So Huda Beauty also has its smaller palettes, I think, which has 9 shades in total. This one however has 18 shades, which is really amazing, and I have been wanting a palette which I can reach for anytime during any occasions, whatever season, doesn't matter. I just want one palette which will do all the job for me, and I feel like this one will do exactly that. Even though I've not tried it yet, I've had this palette since a month. I don't remember when Nykaa was running its Pink Friday sale, but it's been a while and I've had this palette with me for a while and I've been waiting to film this very video, which is why I have not even swatched any of these shades. I'm going to do it right in front of camera for you all. Okay, so enough of the introduction. Let's go ahead and open this palette and then talk more. But first of all, look at how beautiful the outer packaging is. It's got this gold holographic thing going on all over with Empowered written right in the middle. At the back it has gotten all the ingredients mentioned. Okay, so this is what the actual palette looks like. This is sort of the standard packaging of Huda Beauty eyeshadows. It has Huda's eyes right in the front and with the palette name mentioned, and at the back there are some more details all in gold because the Empowered palette is heavy in gold, so the packaging kind of reflects that and it's just really pretty. More than pretty, I feel like it's really classy and it's just so glam. It kind of indicates what kind of shadows you'll be getting inside and what kind of looks you can create with this. And yeah, just love the packaging and it's quite heavy duty as well. It's not really flimsy. This is quite good quality. I won't say heavy, and the packaging is really top notch. So let's go ahead and open the shadows now. Whoa. So of course you get a mirror with it. I think you can see my camera. The mirror is really nice, really heavy duty. So it would be really convenient to use all of these shadows while you look into the mirror right here. You don't really need to have another mirror for it. And then now look at the color palette. I mean, how gorgeous is that? This is just amazing. I have been wanting a nude, brown, gold kind of a palette which will work for me for all occasions, for weddings, for whatever functions, and even for the shoots that I do. I like to keep my makeup neutral and on the nude side, so this is perfect for me, I feel. And I'm no expert when it comes to makeup, especially eye makeup, but I would love to experiment a little with this eyeshadow palette right here. And like you can see, this has gotten brown tones, peach tones, of course a variety of golds, which is amazing. And the best part about this palette is that it has gotten different texture. I'm going to talk about that a little more, but once I do the swatches. This is so pretty. I don't even feel like dipping my hands into it because I don't really want to spoil it. It's really going to break my heart to dip my hands into it, but I have to do it anyway. Okay, so before I start swatching, I want to tell you guys that this has 2 gel hybrid eyeliner shadows. Probably this black one right here and this deep brown one right here, deep brown burgundy sort of a shade. These are gel hybrid liner, so you can use this as shadows as well as gel liners. This is quite a multi-purpose palette because you don't just get shadows here, but you also get gel formulas, other metallics as well, so you can create a lot of looks with this. Like I was saying, this one has 2 gel hybrid eyeliner shadows, 2 creamy metallics, 1 crushed flake gold, 2 high shine wet metallics, 2 powder metallics, and 9 powder matte eyeshadows, which means a lot of different textures are going on in this particular palette. And not just this particular palette, all the Huda Beauty 18 eyeshadow palettes have a lot of different textures going on. Okay, so now let's start swatching one by one. These are really pigmented, guys. So this is the third row that I've swatched right now. All of these are really pigmented. I did not even really have to go a lot over the shadows. I've just like swallowed my finger once. Really pigmented. The last one right here is the gel formula. I did not really dip my finger too much into it, which is why you can see only bits of it, because you would need a brush to work with when it comes to this particular shade. All of these are so pigmented, and look at the color scheme. It's all on the brown peach side, perfect for Indian skin tones. This is the second row of the palette. Again, really pretty shades. These first two are really great transition shades, and this one is a subtle orangey sort of a shimmer, and then this one is called Bold Moves, and I absolutely love it. Look how reflecting it is. So this one is a creamy metallic, and this one is those wet shiny metallics. I was really hyped about this one, but I prefer this one over this. This is just so pretty. This gold is like too pretty. This is the first row of the palette, and these two gold absolutely stands out. I was not too sure about this one, but it looks absolutely stunning. Like, look at the shine. These three are again creamy metallic shades, and they just look absolutely perfect. This one is sort of a mauvey magenta sort of a shade, but it has black undertones to it, which is really pretty and really unique. This one is the gel black eyeshadow, which is why I did not really dip my finger into it too much. And then there are 2 of these matte shades as well, which are great for transition shades, or even if you want to do a simple eye makeup like I have done today. So yeah, all the shades are really pretty, and I think I can get a good use out of this particular palette. So I'm quite happy with my purchase. I will film a video doing an eye look with just this eyeshadow palette, but for today let's test out 1 or maybe 2 shadows on my eyes right now. As you can see, I have not done much with my eyes today, so let's just test out one of the shades, and I'm really tempted to try out Bold Moves right here because this is the shade that has stood out to me the most. Oh my god, this is so pigmented. Like, I of course swatched it on my hands and I understood that this is pigmented, but my god, just look at it. And the formula is just like creamy, buttery. Love it. Look at that, it's so pretty, and I'm just loving the formula. It's like literally touching butter. What do you think? I think I'll just use one of the brown shadows to smoothen out the edges, one of the matte shades. So I'll take Big Trims right here. My god, this palette is just so pigmented. Have to be careful and keep it in mind while using it because I'm not used to such pigmented palettes, to be honest. Yeah, I mean, look at the difference. This looks so bright. I'm really quite impressed. Let me do the other eye as well. I can't tell you guys how happy I am right now with this because I've never experienced a palette like this before. Like I've mentioned earlier, I'm not someone to experiment a lot with my eye makeup because it scares me. To be honest, eye makeup really scares me. As in, not eye makeup scares me, but me myself doing my eye makeup is very scary. But this palette is perfect. Even if I use just 1 or 2 shades, I think it'll just work out great for me because the shades itself are so pretty and so perfect for Indian skin tones that you don't really have to do much. And this is how it looks. So I'm quite impressed with this palette, especially because I've gotten it for half the price and the pigments are amazing. Nothing like I have ever used or seen before. This is a first for me, and I have of course heard and read so much about Huda Beauty palettes, and this time I got to experience it for myself, and I'm so happy that I finally purchased this. I think I should have done it when I was building my bridal makeup trousseau, but anyway, better late than never. And yeah, I'm just truly happy and satisfied with this palette. I know that I'm going to use it a lot. This will probably be the only palette from now onwards that I'll reach for, and if you're someone who's looking for a no-brainer eyeshadow palette, I'll definitely recommend this, especially if you're a bride-to-be. Definitely check this one out. In the future, I hope to try out more eyeshadow palettes from Huda Beauty, but for now I'm just very happy with this. Currently you will get this product in its full price, but do keep a tab on Nykaa during Diwali, where you will probably get it at half the price then, because it is a really expensive palette, and honestly for someone like me it does not make sense to spend 6,000 rupees on one eyeshadow palette. I would have never bought this at the full price, but if you manage to get your hands on this at a discounted price, then definitely go for it, because ye paisa vasool hai. I mean, it is going to be worth your money. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you the next time with another video. Until then, take care, keep smiling. Bye.